Hey, my name's Chuck McElroy, and I'm a graduate from the University of Missouri Industrial Engineering from 1978. And it's my privilege to be able to talk to you today a little bit about my story. Maybe you're considering the University of Missouri's IE department, or perhaps something to do in terms of your professional career going forward. But I'd like to tell you a little bit about how I got there and what it's meant to me. I grew up in the St. Louis area going through the Parkway School District. My school skills were mostly in math and science, which led me toward engineering, but I have to share with you that I really never intended to be a professional engineer or pursue a profession that specialized in engineering. I wanted to run large organizations, and I knew industrial engineering would prepare me for that. So when I graduated from Mizzou, I took a job with Southwestern Bell in St. Louis, now AT&T. And while I was working with Southwestern Bell, I went to night school and got my MBA at Washington University. And I would say that having an engineering undergraduate with a master's of business administration on top of that is a great combination, one that would serve you well in any business or profession you pursue. But while I was at SBC, I developed a strategy to turn cable networks into two-way networks and provide telephone and high-speed data and interactive video. And from that, I ended up spending about 20 years in the cable industry, ending up where I was the president and CEO of the largest cable company in Taiwan. I later left to come back to the U.S., and I ran a startup company as their CEO here in the Atlanta area before I ended up retiring. But while I was at Mizzou and while I was studying industrial engineering, I've got to share with you that I learned problem-solving discipline, an ability to evaluate and examine independent factors, looking at different scenarios and options that gives you an ability to maximize an organization's productivity, efficiency, and financial results. Those skills are going to help you regardless of what area you go into professionally. And I will tell you that those have provided me great success in my lifetime, and I've never once regretted my experiences at Mizzou, my experiences in industrial engineering, and the experiences that led me to beyond that. I hope that you'll consider University of Missouri. I hope you'll consider industrial engineering, and I hope I get a chance to meet you in person. But in the meantime, go Tigers.